Good morning, all of you. We are doing chapter number 3, addition and subtraction. We have completed exercise number 3.1 and exercise number 3.2. Today we will start subtraction because we have completed addition in exercise number 3.1 and 3.2. Today we will start from page number 24, subtraction. As we know, subtraction means taking away the subtrahend from the menu end to get the difference. It is the opposite of addition. That means in addition we have to add. Here we have to take away. That means minus or subtraction. The number to be subtracted are first arranged in columns. As we are arranging in addition also, we are arranging all the numbers in columns and rows. And we are starting from the extreme right, as we are starting in addition also. Now, subtraction of large numbers without borrowing. That means we will not borrow anything from anywhere. So, we will start. We follow some same step to subtract large numbers as we do for smaller numbers. As we know that we are subtracting the numbers, we are subtracting from class 1. We have done this addition and subtraction. Let us take an example. Find the difference between 87,632 and 42,102. Write the difference obtained in words. What we are doing in addition, same thing we have to do, but only here we have to do the subtraction, not the addition. Okay, let us do the solution. Subtract the 1, tens, 100, place and so on. As we are starting from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, we will start from here. Then we will go there. From right side to left side we have to go. Now we have to arrange the numbers in columns. We have arranged already. So 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, that means 1 and 2, it will be 0. So 0 is there. 3 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Nothing is subtracted from 3. 6 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have written 5. Now 7 minus 2, that is 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. So we have got the number 45,530. So 87,632 minus 42,102 is equals to 45,530, and it is written as 45,530. As we know that we have to write in words also. It is written in the question. Now subtraction of large numbers without borrowing, with borrowing. So we have to borrow the numbers. That means it is a large number. We have to carry forward. That means carry, not carry forward. We have to carry a number from the previous number. So let us start another example. Example number 9. Subtract 32,179 from 61,452. That means from, that means 61,000 is bigger and 32,000 is smaller. So we have to put 61,452 in top, and then in the bottom we will put 32,179 below 61,000. So again we will start. We will put the numbers in rows and columns and write the numbers in 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we have put the numbers 61,452 minus 32,179. So 2 minus 9. We know that 2 is less than 9. So we have to borrow a number from the previous number. And the previous number is 5. So we will borrow 1 from there. So if we will borrow 1, it would left there 4. So 4 is there. And we have borrowed 1, that means it would be 12. Now 12 is greater than 9. Now we will minus 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. So 3 is there. And what is left over there? Here 4 is left. So 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. That means 4 is less than 7 again. So again we have to borrow a number from the previous number. And we will borrow a number. The previous number is 4. That means we will borrow 1. There left 3. So 3 is left over there. We have borrowed 1. That means 4 and 1, 10. That means 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. Now 14 is bigger than 7. Now 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. So we have written 7. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, because 3 is greater than 1. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Now the thousandth digit, 1 minus 2. That means 1 is less than 2. So we have to borrow a number from the previous number. So 6 is there. So we will borrow 1 from there. It would left 5 over there, and the number becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is equals to 9. So 5 minus 3, the last one is 5 minus 3, that means 2. Now we have come to the conclusion that our answer comes that 29,273 is left over there. So 61,452 minus 32,179 is equals to 29,273. It is written as 29,273. That means in words it is written as like that. Subtraction with 0. So we will subtract the numbers with 0. Let us start. Now the example number 10. Subtract 48,256 from 87,002. Now again we have arranged the numbers in rows and columns, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Everywhere we have arranged. Now step 1, we have to do step 1. Subtract the ones. As 6 is greater than 2, it cannot be subtracted. So as we cannot borrow from the tens, because in 10th digit it is 0. So from where we will borrow? In 100 digit also it is 0. So we will borrow from 1000 digit. So we will write like this: as we cannot borrow from the 10th and 100th place, borrow 1000 from the 1000th place and shift it to the 100th, 10th and finally to the 1st place. Now we have 12 at the 1st place, which is bigger than 6, thus subtract 6 from 12. So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6 is there. Okay, now we will go to the next step. So step number 2. Subtract the remaining tens. 9 minus 4, because here it is 10 over there, we have got 10. So we have taken 1 from there, so it would become 12 over here. So 9 is left. So 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Now here again 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. Now in step number 4, that means thousandth digit. So subtract the remaining 1000. As 8 is greater than 6, it cannot be subtracted. Borrow 1 from the 10,000 column and change 8,000 to 7,000. Add the borrow 1 10,000 to 6,000. Now we have 16 at the 10,000 place, which is bigger than 8. Thus subtract 8 from 16, that is 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. Okay, now step number 5, subtract the remaining 10,000. 7 minus 4, because 7 is left over there, because we have taken 1 from 10,000 digit to make this 16,000. So 7,000 minus 4,000 equals to 70,000 minus 40,000 equals to 30,000. Now we have got our answer, that the answer is 38,746. So we can write this like this. So 87,002 minus 48,256 is equals to 38,746, and it is written as 38,746. Now again we will do another example, example number 11. Same like that. Subtract 1,57,936 from 4,60,082. Now we have to arrange these numbers in columns and rows, in periods also, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs period. So we have put the numbers. Now we are starting our subtraction. So 2 minus 6, 2 is less than 6, so we will borrow 1 from here, so it becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6, so 7 is left over there. 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Now here 0 means we have to borrow 1 from here, so it is also 0, so we will borrow 1 from 10,000 digit. So in 10,000 digit the number is 6, that means 60,000, so we will borrow 10,000 1 from there, that means it will be left and remains 5, so it will become 10. Again we will borrow 1 from there, then it will become 10, and here 9 is left over here. Okay, so 9 is left over there. Now 10 minus 9 is equals to 1, so here 9 is left, so 9 minus 7 is equals to 2, so 5 is left. 5 minus 5 is equals to 0, and in left period 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. That means we have got the answer 3,02,146. So our answer comes like this. So we can write the number 4,60,082 minus 1,57,936 is equals to 3,02,146, and it is written as 3,02,146 in words. Now we will do the checking of subtraction through addition, whether our answer is correct or not. So we have to do the checkings also, so that we can confirm, we will confirm that whether the answer, whichever the answer we have got, that is correct or not. So to check the numbers, subtract, add and difference of the two numbers to the subtrahend, we will get the sum. Same as minuend, the subtraction is correct, if not the subtraction is incorrect. Now let us take one example for checking that one. So example number 12, subtract 4,25,178 from 7,60,085 and check your answer. First of all, we will do normal calculations. We have to put the numbers in rows and columns and in period, then subtraction. We will do the subtraction. So 5 minus 8, here 5 is less than 8, that means we have to borrow 1 from here, that means 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Here 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. Here 0 is there, so we will borrow 1 from here. Here is also 0, so we will borrow 1 from here. That means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 9 is left over here, so 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, and 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. So we have got the answer 3,34,907. So whether the answer which we have got is correct or not, so we have to check. How we will check? We will check the answer like this. We have to put the answer in the first column first row, then we will put the second row, that means the second one, the subtrahend, the second subtrahend to this, and we will add this number. Whether we will get this number, then we will say that the answer is correct. Now again we will put these numbers in rows and columns and put it into the periods. So we will get 7 plus 8 is equals to 15, carry 1, so 1 plus 7 is equals to 8, there is no carry. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, that means 0, carry 1. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 is equals to 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, 10 means 0, carry forward 1. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, 6. So now 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So we have got the answer sum over here, that 7,60,085. So the first subtrahend is here 7,60,085. That means we have got the answer. Now we can find the missing digit. What we have done in addition, again we have to do this in subtraction also. Find the missing digit. We can find the missing digit in a problem of subtraction by considering the place values of the digit and using the given formula. Difference is equal to minuend minus subtrahend. Minuend minus difference is equals to subtrahend, and difference plus subtrahend is equals to minuend. For example, find the missing digit. Here we have to find the missing digit. Solution. Step 1, look at the ones column. So we have to look at the ones column. Step 1, 5 minus question mark is equals to 3. We have 5 minus 3, the answer we will subtract, then we will got 2 over here. So we will write 2 in the blank. Look at the tens column. Here is one question mark. So question mark minus 1 is equals to 1. We have 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So we write 2 in the blank place here. Continue the same process, same manner to get all the missing digits. After continuing all this, we will get this one. How? In 100 column, 3 minus 0 is equals to what? So 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. We will get 3 over here, so we will write 3. That means 3 is here. Now the thousands column, question mark minus 2 is equals to 2. So what we will write? 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So here we will write 4. In 10,000 column, 8 minus question mark is equals to 3. 8 minus question mark is equals to 3. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So here 5 would be there. Now in lakh column, question mark minus 2 is equals to 4. So question mark minus 2 is equals to 4. So we will write 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So we have written 6 over here. Now the last one, that is 10 lakh column. 9 minus question mark is equals to 3. So 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So we will write 6 over here. So we have got the answer, that 34,32,313 is the answer what we have got. So next day we'll start from exercise number 3.3. So today you will revise this explanation at your home. Next day we will start the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.